Hey everybody, Jeff from Dash Trucks here. I'll give you a little walk around video of this 2016 Ford F-150 XL model. This truck's super clean. It's the FX4 off-road edition. Very unique. It's powered by both gas and propane. In this toolbox, there's fuel tanks in the bottom of it. Just this part of it right here is for tools, and below it is all a propane fuel tank. So the truck can be run on either propane or gas. You can switch back and forth. It's got all these nice toolboxes, and all of this stuff can be removed, which we're happy to do for you if you just want the straight truck. It's got an excellent set of tires on it all the way around. Really nice, healthy meat on them. This truck is almost perfect. There's no visible dents or scratches. The interior is perfect. The tires are perfect. It runs great. Now this is the work truck edition of the Ford F-150, which means it's going to strip down with just rubber floors. It does have cruise control, power windows, and power door locks. Let me take you inside the truck. This truck has 49,369 miles on it. There's no check engine lights. It's got fresh oil and filter. Sorry, I had to get out of the way of another truck. And it's super clean, man. I mean, super clean. Interior's perfect. Everything about this truck shows that it's been well maintained by its last owner. The truck's running right now. Let me get it out. There, so now you can see on the dashboard everything is nice and clean, no check engine lights or anything. You've got the tow package, of course, for a work truck.